Most UK investors are stuck earning 4% in savings account or 7% in FTSE 100. But last year, I made over 24% return on my ISA investment tax-free. Not by chasing hot tips, not by gambling on meme stocks, and definitely not by getting lucky. I did it with a simple, repeatable strategy that any UK beginner investor can use right now. If you want to actually build wealth in a systematic way, keep watching. This video will change how you invest forever. Let's be honest, most of us work hard, save diligently, and still feel like we are falling behind. You put money in a savings account, get 4% return, but inflation is also 4.1%. So you are not actually growing your wealth. You invest in the FTSE 100. It's done really well this year, up about 14%. But in the last 20 years, it's gone up by 6 to 7% per year. Meanwhile, you see headlines about people making 15 to 20% returns and wonder, is it lucky? Is it risky? Or is there a smarter way? I am Dr. Suman. I am not a financial advisor or a day trader. I am a regular salaried NHS doctor who figured out how to make my money work harder than I do. Last 12 months, my portfolio returned 24.6%, and I will show you exactly how I did it, not by picking the next hot stock, but by using a mindset and asset strategy that works in 2025. Remember, investing carries risk and you may lose your money while investing. Past performance is not a predictor of future returns, and if in doubt, then please consult a financial advisor. In this video, I will break down the exact framework that I use, the data-driven way I choose asset classes for my investment, and the psychology that separates successful investors from everyone else. If you want to stop guessing and start building real wealth, stick around, because this is the blueprint I wish I had when I started investing back in 2015. Here is the first big shift. It's not about working harder or saving more. It's about making your money work smarter by choosing the right assets and using the right strategy. Let me introduce you to the rule of 72. Take 72 and divide it by your annual investment returns. That's how many years it takes to double your money. If you are earning 7% a year, it takes over 10 years to double your savings. If you are earning 24% like I did last year, your money doubles in just 3 years. This isn't magic. It's about picking the right asset classes and letting compounding do the heavy lifting. And the best part, you don't need to be a finance expert to do this. In the next section, I will show you exactly how I pick my assets using real data, not hype. But before I do this, let's decode this powerful investing term called asset class. Think of asset classes like baskets for your money. Each basket holds a different type of investment that behaves in a similar way. Here are the big ones: stocks, bond, cash, cryptocurrency, real estate, and commodities that includes gold, silver, oil, and other physical goods. Why this matters? Because each asset class reacts differently to the economy. Smart investors spread their money across these baskets to balance the risk and the reward. So next time someone says diversify your portfolio, you will know exactly what they mean. Mix your asset classes. So how do you actually pick the right assets? Let's look at the data, not the headlines. Over the last year, Bitcoin returns 155%. The Nasdaq 100, which is the US tech index, returned 35%. Gold, 20%. And over the last 3 years, the Nasdaq 100 is up 130%, which is much higher than the Indian stock market. This is why my own portfolio is heavily weighted towards US tech and semiconductors. For example, my largest holding is iShares Nasdaq 100 ETF, which alone is up over 100% in last 3 years. This is not a recommendation, so please don't go and blindly buy any of this ETF just by watching this video. Please remember to do your own research or go see a financial advisor. I also have a significant position in semiconductor ETF and a small allocation to gold as a hedge. I am not chasing what's popular in the news right now or what my friends are buying. I look at the data and ask, where has the real growth been after adjusting for currency and taxes. For most UK investors, putting all your money in Indian stocks or even FTSE 100 means you are missing out on the real compounding engine. I am not saying you should go all in on crypto or tech, but you need to understand why these assets have outperformed other asset classes and how to build a portfolio that gives you a shot at those returns. If you want to build your wealth, you need to pick asset classes that have a track record of superior returns, not just what feels safe or familiar. That's how I achieved 24% last year and 18% CAGR over last 3 years by focusing on what works, not what's comfortable. If you want to see the exact framework I use to build my winning portfolio, keep watching. And if you want to accelerate your result, check out my 7-day NRI Wealth Accelerator Challenge, details in the description box below. So what's the actual blueprint? Here is the simple framework that I use and anyone can follow. Step 1, pick a superior market. Don't just invest where it feels comfortable or familiar. I focus on US tech, global innovation, and sectors with long-term tailwinds. That's why my largest positions are in the Nasdaq 100 and semiconductor, not just because they are trendy, but because the data shows they consistently outperform other asset classes. Step 2, use the right wrapper for your investment. In the UK, the ISA is your best friend. All my gains are tax-free. That's an extra 4 to 5% return just from using the right account. If you are an NRI in the UK, this is even more important because investing in India often means double taxation and you miss out on the UK's tax-free compounding. Step 3, automate and stay consistent. I invest a fixed amount every month, no matter what the headlines say. This removes emotion and builds wealth over time. You don't need to time the market, you just need to show up consistently. Want to see how I handle market crashes and hype cycles? The next section is all about the psychology that separates winners from everyone else. Here is where most people go wrong. They chase last year's winner or panic when markets fall. I do the opposite. For example, when everyone was bullish on India back in 2024, I sold my Indian ETF at 30% return and rotated the same money into other sectors. When my US healthcare ETF was down and sentiment was negative, I kept buying. Now it's slowly turning around. The best returns come from buying quality assets when it's unloved, not when it's on the front page. The real money is made by being patient and contrarian, not by following the crowd. If you are an NRI in the UK, you don't have to figure this out alone. I have built a private community of NRIs who are all on the same journey together, sharing strategies, wins, and lessons learned. It's a place to ask questions, get support, and avoid the mistakes I made when I started. And if you want to go deeper, I have set up the 7-day NRI Wealth Accelerator Challenge. It's designed to help you build your first winning portfolio fast with my own investing framework and a supportive community of people who are on this journey with you together. Check out the link in the description box below. So if you are starting investing today as a UK professional, here is exactly what I would do. Step 1, open a stocks and shares ISA. Don't even think about investing until you have your ISA set up. This is your foundation for tax-free compounding and long-term growth. Step 2, pick 2 to 5 superior ETF. You don't need to overcomplicate things. For most people, global or US tech, another sector that you believe, for example, healthcare or semiconductor or AI, and a small allocation to gold or crypto is more than enough. Again, this is not investment advice. Remember, my own results, 24% last year, came from focusing on just a handful of high quality ETF. Step 3 is automate your investment. Set up a monthly direct debit. Don't try to time the market or wait for the perfect moment. Consistency beats timing every single time. Step 4, once a year, review your portfolio. Trim what's run up, add to what's lagging but still high quality. This keeps your risk in check and helps you buy low, sell high without overthinking. And if you want a step-by-step walkthrough for ISA account, remember to check out my free 60-minute NRI ISA blueprint, link in the description. Let me save you from the mistakes that I see most often. Chasing hot stocks or last year's winners. By the time something is in the news, the easy money is already made. Focus on long-term trend, not short-term hype. Ignoring tax wrappers. Always use your ISA and pensions first. Don't leave free money on the table. Number 3 is trying to time the market or going all in at once. The best investors are consistent, not lucky. Automate your investment and let compounding do the work. Next mistake is over diversifying. You don't need 10 to 20 ETF. 3 to 5 well-chosen ETF are enough for most people. Next is letting emotions drive your decisions. Don't panic when markets fall. Don't get greedy when they rise. Stick to your plan and let the data, not your feelings, guide you. You don't need to be a finance expert to build real wealth in the UK. You need the right mindset, the right assets, and the right habits. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Superior returns come from superior choices, not superior luck. Focus on what works, automate your process, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe for more practical investing strategies. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest investing challenge as a UK professional or NRI? And if you want to go deeper, join our NRI investment community. Links are in the description. Remember, the best time to start investing was 10 years ago, and the second best time is today. Thank you for watching. This is Dr. Suman, helping you build your wealth one step at a time. See you in the next video.